XRP, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to my last analysis after we get this sharp move when the price was within here, I mentioned if you want to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal and trade setup. This is the reason. And no, because I mentioned the possible whenever we see this kind of the sharp for the XRP, we can expect the price drop quite deeply in relative to the sharp movement. Anyway, now if you want to if you want to consider this one as a correction relative to what we have here, okay, as long as the price is above 58 cent, we can consider this one as a correction. With the breakout of the 58, then we cannot consider. Okay, that's meaning the possibility for the price to drop and retest this line is there. Okay, this line is indicative. We do is not as exact. Okay, then the reasons I'm referring to the 58 cent, as long as the price is above the 58 cent, any reversal, we will take the trade. That means still we can expect the price reverse. We can look for the buy. But if we refer to higher time frame, and as what we explained before, this year we have been looking for the XRP. And the way it's reversing is very corrective. Okay. And we have seen this kind of the movement last time on 2021. Okay. But this times it takes longer time. But again, XRP, as long as it start to move, it can move really sharply. That's why we try to trade on the XRP. Any opportunity for buy, we will take it. As what I explained, I mentioned for me, any opportunity for buy, I will take it. If it's not move in my I see it's not moving in my direction, then I will take out the trade or move my stop loss to break even. Simply, we cannot buy. Okay. First thing, the way is reversing is very corrective as what we can see here. Every time we see the breakout of the previous top or any sharp move, we see the next drop. And even we can expect the continuation before we see the breakout of the 94 cent. That's why we have to look for the trade setup. We have to simply, we cannot just let it go. Because as long as it start to move, it will move really sharp. We are not in the trend. All right. Anyway, and even if you want to look for buy, simply we cannot buy. We should know how to manage it, because whenever technically we see this kind of the corrective reversal, the possibility for the next drop is there. And if it's happened, we can expect the price simply drop to somewhere around 43, even 40 cent. Okay, even lower than that if there is a breakout, but at least we can, if this one technically we say a corrective, if the next drop is happen, we can expect the price drop to the 43 and 40 cent. That's why if you want to look for buy, if it we have to trade on it. We have to, if it doesn't move in our direction, we should know how to manage it. To make it very simple for me, I'm looking for buy. Any opportunity for buy, I will take it. If it doesn't move in my direction, I will take out the trade. Then I will look for the next opportunity. And as I mentioned, we are looking for the 94 cent, because with the breakout of the 94, then we can look for continuation. And we have to bear in mind, as long as it start to move, it will move really sharp. That's why we have to be really careful. I mean, we have to watch out any opportunity. We should know how to get and how to manage it. It's not we simply buy, okay, because of the next drop. Anyway, uh, as I mentioned, based on daily chart, we are looking at this. As long as the price is above 58 cent, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. We can consider as a correction. That's meaning we want to see how we can look for trade. Based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup, and we have to refer to the lower time frame. And if we move to forward chart, and right now we're looking at this one. Based on forward chart also, I don't see any reversal on divergence. But if we move to 1 hour chart, if we look at the chart, if we put this one relative to what we have here, we see the divergence. Again, it depends on the strategy the traders they're using. Any opportunity they can take it. But for me, to make it very simple, and even for the begin traders who are the beginner, any reversal as a sharp move flag, either based on 1 hour or lower time frame, they can take the trade, or they can put the entry above here. And in case the price reverses a sharp move, at least we are in the trade. If the price tag, we see there is no continuation within the first or maximum second hours, we shouldn't keep the trade. At least we should take, I mean, either if we can move or stop loss to break even. If not, we take out the trade. Okay. Having entry above here can be an option, because we see the breakout of this one following by divergence, but it's very risky. Okay, that's why I suggest here then it depends on the traders. And again, any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we will take it, but we have to see the continuation. If the price, if we see start to correct, we see the reversal as a corrective. Uh, Either we take out the trade or we move our stop loss to break even. We can because we can expect this one drop correctively before we see the reversal. But at this point, since we have a divergence, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. How high it can go? Based on daily chart, we are looking for the 90 4 cent. If we move to, we have the line based on weekly chart. This is the main things I'm looking to see the continue to see the breakout of. But uh may we get the, if we get the trade, we don't see the continuation. I mean, we maybe at that time the price cannot continue as a reversal with the breakout of the 94. Then if we see any opportunity, if I see any reversal with the breakout of, that's mean if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we want to see the breakout of the 75. Then if it's happen, then I will give an update how high we can expect before we see the breakout of the 94 cent. Okay, to make it very simple, if you get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. And the targets, that's mean as long as we see the breakout of any of the previous stop, we start to manage, we start to move our stop loss. All right, this is how we start to manage at this point. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.